the Attorney General Atro the Akoma Yoko so mo investigating the third vice chairman for the NDC Yakubu Abanga nyame adom manya menua ewa ahoma so ahaya Akoma 87.9 FM in the Ashanti region and beyond. Menua Yakubu, good morning.
Yeah, we just say John.
Is that be about there?
Yeah, we are doing about the other room.
Say they are power near CIG, you who cracked out of the MCC of us on pay. When it's too much.
John, I said, my in the body, I told you, man, in your home and in you,
oh, Samu. And so that means that means also you're surprised that yes, who to Galana, you refer to Yoko. We are surprised.
A very, very big surprise about that. Yeah, very, very big, a big surprise because John, let me place it on record without any equivocation. Say, Menye galamsey and I've never done galamsey. Na menye galamsey so. Yes. Now I challenge anyone who claims otherwise. Say menye galamsey to be bold, and the person should be bold and point it directly to me. Or anybody who claims say my form task force that is extorting money from them, from minors near there, to come out publicly clear, say me Abanga Yakubu Al Hassan, the national vice chairman of the NDC, with dignity, say me galamsey, my extorting money with task force near there. Niggas a joy. Only anamra bonti no meka.
So the question will be that Ebane say na mo my national executive say mo doso. Na ye be ka say wo. Say bibia ni ho saa. Ni ye be bodin say wo de. O yes adwuma no.
Well, meaning eno de say baby free of course yes na ye doso. Na say Adam so any sa the oso ntakrache. As a licensed small scale miner there, me mumless can be put me heading. Me promote responsible mining. And yet rather the opposite.
Okay. Not just a metiasia we a miner.
Me a miner over the years. Even as you speak, me sa can be say obi kura wo baby who say adwuma me ye no no. Me no cause me ye adwuma o Cote d'Ivoire baby. And near Ghana Hakra, I'm a party for crabby bring a dear dancer baby me yajuma. Party for baby dear dancer, a binim ho. Obi also o baby a unim baby excavator, media excavator, quack bosses here, air forest. And I'm a twin shoe, may say you no. Only I know John on from Rabonting. And they come in my position. National vice chairman of the party, come resign. I believe in the British to come resign.
Say, Obi to me a chair, Obi resign.
So obi timi be kire say sa pitway sa concess me ma ba ho concess we media and I'm just excavator sim and I me ye adwuma na kwato dize wa ha etimi ma concrete evidence etia me Abanga Yakubu Al Hassan NDC national vice chairman come resign as a vice of the party.
Okay,
because I've lived a dignified life over the years and but, I'm somebody
but all concession
no concession it will be. No concessions, cry.
But oh, you're responsible mining.
Akoma FM.
Yeah, even Minjuma will be as see.
So the last time, mobile power in our Jemo Jumaya, and I say,
since 2018, Minjuma 2018, because the NDC, National Police, near dear, your Frau. Me who lands is near there. At a point, I got fed up. So what do? You know,
since 2018, when you're doing we are aware of the state of that concession. No?
Oh,
and how they moving?
And some no occurs over canina. The Minister of Lands at a point will have to answer some of them. But
Minister of Lands yeah, at a point also answer questions why o concession the free was.
Well, yes. What be minister idea? Why inherited liabilities for any other previous ministers? Yeah. it was a do baby a home making. But anyway, I don't want to. It is premature for now. As a government, yeah, bafofro na your main concern. Yeah, and so make it a juma. I'm a babuna biaye. We be to send me man call for appointment. We decided to best stay back. Now your party ni near per juma the ama party mabruna or mo pay juma ye. And the party you can testify say, Sir John, my office is one of the most busiest office. Men can walk me one. So we, the national chairman of our party, the next busiest office. Our party for a dear chair, dear area. When we boom come so, eba hodi ya posem eba. Eye me abanga ya kuwa last in the office. Vice chairman of the party. It's a job. And I think the party people you buy Jumani idea was yefe na yepe mo no eno na ye me main concern. Near money sebi you buy ye wa $, you be find almost 17 Ghana cedis. And then menu ka say 10 you were finance minister at for Sadaro money you were man pani si 20 and then I'm 10 Ghana cedis. Oil near tonno 25 liter near tonno 1,000 Ghana cedis. Minister John why would you dance your cockade your jump this year? And I'll call Central and Tafu Jum Krana. Minuka say yet on 450 and 500 Ghana cedis. I won't can bag 800 Ghana cedis. Maybe 900, maybe 750 to Jimmy no near the end. It be about 350 and 400 near the end. Way and say, yeah, I was a party. As a party, a yen yawa bino. Yes, na ye two ye won't say. Now, you promote your binding my panel more.
Yes, does that mean say at this point, Obeka say because of maybe a whole contribution or the man buy no say the can you mention dollar and other things no. And the man crowd maybe opposition for behind the ecosu and away your party mu ankasa for na yosa.
Akoma FM 87.9.
The truth is that a big party for Ebinimu, but I don't want to see it is too early. That's what I'm saying. Can some the Ebu ye in Ayanum? Yeah, because the main concern as a party, the NDC, the NSA, the Beshan party for a year, if the party is different from the government, even though Yenny who are buying, and I buy appointees near the Umina, Ubian was also same party, no, and no, we can let the appointees, they have to be there somewhere west, party in the war abino and then I'm so you are His Excellency President Mama. Emma will be a Umina Juma for more years. At the party first, again, a young be or why yet you won't see or see a best some party, no. A young corporate position near the minimum say, Minia, send me call you, His Excellency Hosenka, or mine. Mama Juma, Namensum or Mina, call about Mamma do, and I'm
no crapper.
And so, man, call. Mr. Media make a party, no matter some party, no.
And the Binumu said Jamudi didn't know. Moon here appointment be because more.
I did be
already move to from a good DNT. I did a business and when you're concession now. Who did Timuna? I mean, we're better now. Was all trophies. I got 100
Sir John, my cousin will be what evidence be Tiami Abanga Yakuba last time. Offer me 12 thing. Only to me the evidence be Tiami said me. Me ma excavator si ase si na enya for enya sema ya no edemu no ni ande beto abonten ya enne ni media for be dey kira ko he me excavator to form say na sada na me me position as a vice chairman beto
Yakubu ehon no me pese matio for ye clear one
yes
oni excavator ba ko sei e wo krom ha
me no ka say no excavators enya excavator men fa ba kokra ma han na men fa ba ko kokra nkosi amna bia mu yadwuma menia
see then concession there no wo say wo bi and ya jeffru say ma hono I want to be clear
anya no nko of course me will be no mo me ne me partners ni ade eno na private say bi ma anya o mo consent as a job won't mean pass any man no ntuja if say it has to be a board members the directors na wo mo ni ade and same we no ya na ba bonten eti o pray who the ebia na board na bi yankoyo mo de ebia na me percentage o me kutu obi na o de dodo no dear no.
I get it.
Because for be say do kabia near the Yana. But idea mechanic say into Sukoko will be
but who dear
as we die at 2 feet.
Na me person who say who dear o say na who be na e hono me person you draw that line here so that obi otie bia no be clear.
I don't want to preempt the minister bia no war. Of course, also all reforms in there. The last minister saw reforms and a matity they are going around the country doing sensitization with the traditional authorities in trying to say a better reform the mining sector. No, for near of course, when the previous government, it was a sham. Minister no do so warriors are Minos Commission now for Central Region. The whole country are born to engage traditional authorities. Even cooperative mining. I think you be rolling out a cooperative mining as we speak. Niama Guswa starting. They don't want to preempt the minister's decision. Quite a person of us Niama but the whole thing a lot have happened. But I also want to place on record say into Sukoko will be a Numesu Yagati Fita. But let nobody think say I'm a weak person. Because this is about reputations online. And I'm a young man who has built a very enviable reputation. I will be to me even 10 to cry. And then Yakasi Hufia, Kebea time cry, but Sabi Ubu and Wama Yura, His Excellency the President. Any party, your party, no, any party in penny for Yemu be idea to say Yebeka Bonti, Yebeka Bontina, Yebeka party, no, near some party, no, near Hama party for a Juma Mupaye, Yapé Juma Diamomu. You say, Sir John. You see, my office, we the national chairman of the party, the chairman general himself, if you will, the next busiest office, the Biao Kwa, a big 2 a.m. Nameda, a bit, and Yansen but party for
okay, I get it, but two questions that many will be because we busy, why busy, I'm pay. First question is as someone can send to Sukoko will be animal by a Jati Fitano. Sansemi, well, we are Joseph Yamina. Per krata attorney general de Akoma Iyoko no ya boni din se woni ni mienu na mo yesa mo di se adwuma no ono so atro ne Facebook page and some aka no abebuo bebre wo mu a chese ono so person chese nsem ho pa ne sem panimfo person mo tensem a ombete nsem and also aka say entesu kokko wo bi enu ba ye giant fita. Are you saying there are people that you know in within the party omo ye se adwuma no a ye mo omudin a we are disappointed say ye nko omo ho na ye ma mo kwan bebodin ana
Sir John because I have na sebi anyame na be na me so ma party for no e be wiwi there be and the party people know me say me obi a me do party no and I musu dia dance say me obi a me ba party yes ka pe na me be pay yes and ke ye chepus ye ko amapu dia no ko yewura ho president me ko even yewura president we oba bia o kama nkofo o nka ma ho number yewura secretary the president ma kan o say we dey bia oba o kama nkofo nka ma ho na betimi so aka je o say any appointee bi no baka say me must in office tell me be pay contract dampo e bi see be a private businessman in crime
and Yoko mu kwa be cancel
oh and yes idea be say party ni anasa ban if say we are on the right track me no cause the one who send your dollar no aba for mama this year niama even yaka ni edi no wiasa mansan so yetimetuatu adodo na you go so yes sustain it no ni ade kase ehia igumu igumu sin chen yen say we yen yese yen no ni ehia kase me no ka me say no me yele na ka kire me say attorney general I issue release visa
number when you call and then as you speak when you call bia from Yoko
because say do minya call bia but minya call say no ehia me say ameko.
Very good.
It's my hands are clean. CCI is attorney general friend me say vice chairman you hear office CCI me no can even motorbike come the beko because nya dia me dwene ho court na make sure catch the party for ye friend me na ye di yaw na ye gya beneni ade me frɛ wo mu so say these are some of the hazards when you want to serve your people or when you are serving your people you go through. Sebi your party in 20 December na man fon kadin pa wo ye mu abacham ni ye mu ewo ho bebre this is just
mo boche nku wo Yoko office say mo ko honti no
obia ma baabia obia time din if so omu ni me sene me sitie anya dia ye nsema ya kan bia no kwa bia nim na sabi ukọ baabia onim se no kwa ni no kwa ba hu ni ma dia na so suro ni suro
Minim say ayi Dr. Dominic Ayene I mean mo amone na ayi adwuma party campaign time on here. Wow. Everyone can person me busa say whether so you okay
but I think say questions no crowd there said do no ade hia pa ne de ni nyina no why exhausted na I say we say come here examiner na come mark no a and come no